A pelmet. Most Aussie blokes don't know what a pelmet is. It's the wooden structure that hides the curtain rod, often covered in a matching material like a valance on a bed. But attaching a soft material to a hard surface can be a hassle. If you tack it, it can tear. If you glue it, it can look ugly. So the clever people who make VELCRO brand products have invented this, stick and sew tape, the simplest and easiest way to stick something soft onto something hard. Stick and sew tape is actually two tapes, one with tiny little hooks and a sticky back, the other with tiny loops that attach to the hooks. The two tapes work together. The stick-on hook tape goes on the hard surface and the sew-on loop tape goes on the soft. Well, stick and sew will do a fabulous job on this pelmet. Each tape is 5 metres long. That's plenty even for a big job like this. First, you attach the stick-on tape to the pelmet itself. Sew the sew-on tape onto this hemming tape and pull the ends to give a pleated appearance. Push the two together and there you go. Looks great, doesn't it? And it's easily removable and completely washable too. Stick and sew makes installing an insect screen just as quick and easy. Once again, the stick-on tape goes onto the wood. The sew-on tape attaches to the screen. Push them together and the nasty bodies will stay outside. Once you use stick and sew around your place, you'll keep thinking up new ways to renovate and repair using this very clever product. You'll find it at all good retailers.